everyone, my name is Emily. The channel is One at a Time. Today I'm going to share with you our recipe for hash browns. Let's talk about ingredients and supplies needed to make these hash browns. First off, and most importantly, is a good Idaho russet Burbank potato. These have been baked and I made them last night for dinner, and I threw in some extra so we had leftovers for hash browns. Then you need a grater, salt and pepper, butter, and a spatula to turn them with. You also need a griddle of some kind. This one is electric. You can also use a fry pan on your stove. All right, turn on your skillet. We're gonna make hash browns for two today. You just take the butter and coat the pan. I take the potato, it has the skin on. This is the trick. And you can pull a little end off, okay? Just so you get to the meat in the center. Take your grater and just start shredding the potato. Notice how the skins just kind of come off. That way you don't have to peel it. This makes it a little simpler. And you just take the skins and set it to the side. This works best if your potatoes are cold. So after you bake them, put them in the fridge. Get them chilled. Now the next one. Another thing I do is I just break it in half. Spread those potatoes out. Then you're just gonna salt and pepper. Now set your timer for 3 minutes. You're gonna let them cook for 3 minutes before stirring them. Don't do anything else with them. Just let them sit and cook. This is when you can go get the toast going, cut up your fruit, mix up your juice or whatever else you're having with your hash browns. Okay, it's been 3 minutes, so now we just have to turn the hash browns. Okay, get them all turned. You're gonna add salt and pepper again. And then we need to add a little more butter. So I just grab about a tablespoon and I just put dollops of butter around on the potatoes. They will melt and go in with those hash browns. So now we do 3 minutes again. See that? 3 minutes on the timer. They are done. So now we're just going to plate them up. Our preferred toppings for hash browns are sausage country gravy or ketchup. And so we're going to give these a taste with some ketchup today. They're great. I feel silly taste testing my own food, but so you know it's edible, it's wonderful. It's a great way to use leftover baked potatoes or to purposefully have hash browns. You can make extra baked potatoes the night before. They're wonderful. Give the recipe a try. Leave a comment below about what your favorite topping is for your hash browns, and if you have any questions, also leave them below. I'd love to help you make these wonderful hash browns. Till next time, eat more potatoes, wear wool, and ask for USA lamb and beef at your local grocery store.